Two of our favorite places in the Bahamas were in the Abacos Islands, which were the hardest hit by Hurricane Dorian. These beautiful, quaint towns were not only filled with amazing views, but also with amazing people. Part of why we loved it there so much. These towns are just not there anymore. The winds destroyed roofs, and the storm surge washed away what was left. Our favorite businesses, which have been around for more than 30 years, are no more. These fine people were giving and hardworking and would offer rides to strangers like us and also welcome them into their homes. The Bahamas lives and survives on tourism, but now the question is, how will it recover? Please find ways to give in whatever way you can. There are donations for both money and food and clothing and shelter. We have started a GoFundMe site for personal friends of ours, but please, if you have the means, donate in any way that you have possible. Thank you. And thank you, Bahamas, for letting us enjoy your beauty.